What's up guys, this is fx-96SG aka CSIMC, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make, well, whatever you want to call this little screen over here. I mean, okay, well, anyway. So how you make it is you essentially do pole 9 root 9, comma square root 2. Then you do this, which is you press uns, you spam the to the power of button, you fill all of them up with uns till you get to the second last one. Then you press divide uns, plus, remove the plus, equals AC, up, AC, and left. So after this, you remove both the dots and replace this 47 with 838. After this, what you want to do is you want to press 130296 5 times and then spam 662244 all the way to the end. And there we go. That gets you this screen. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.